how to record Messenger video call. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. I am back here again with a quick and easy tutorial on how you can record Messenger video calls. So let's get started. So in order to record video calls in Messenger, there isn't any inbuilt feature that is provided by Messenger application. So what we can do is when you are in video call, just swipe down to the bottom and here you can see different options that are on your phone, and from here you can also see the option of screen recorder. Click on it. Now that will record all your video calls in Messenger. But if you haven't a screen recorder option in your device, then go to the Play Store and search for screen recorder. Here you will see tons of third-party screen recording apps. You can install one and use it when you are on your video call. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.